You see, I often tell you that one day Prampram is going to look like Tema. Yes, Prampram is like Tema in the making. This footage you're looking at is Tema. Around the Harbour Road, this is Tema. Harbour Road, you see the Harbour Road is where you see the cars going. They're coming from the motorway to the Harbour Road. So this footage was taken at Tema Community 8 to be precise. Yes, and very soon you're going to see Prampram, and you're not going to spot any much difference because it's like Prampram is like Tema in the making. You understand? I told you that one day Tema is going to look like, Prampram is Tema's expansion, okay, extended, it's Tema's extension is Prampram. So one day Prampram is going to look like just like Tema, right? So hello, welcome to We Organize, the channel where we explore real estate in Ghana and more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, or click on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So you have seen the footage of, you saw the footage of Tema, right? Community 8 to be precise, along the Harbour Road. And do you see any difference? Prampram is like Tema in the making. Tema is like already filled, and Prampram is now filling, right? So make sure you put your spot somewhere, because if you miss out, you're going to regret. You're going to regret big time. So this is Prampram. All right, this is Prampram. This footage was taken at Prampram. So this is the Prampram Mutual. This is the Noble Estate at Prampram. And over here is going to look better than Tema in some years to come. Do you know why? Because here is like Tema. Here is also neatly planned. All right, but here has more space as compared to Tema. Tema is already filled up. So the mistakes our parents did, who has lived in Tema before, the housing is quite kitty, like it's so they didn't have the chance to get bigger lands as compared to those in Tema communities, as compared to those in Sakumono, those places that didn't develop so quickly. Those people who lived there had the chance to build bigger houses. So with Prampram, the story is not so different from Prampram, because with Prampram, now you have the space to buy an acre or whatever to accommodate more space as compared to Tema. Tema, I watch you. Just that Tema is where I grew up personally. Tema is a lovely place. I'll choose Tema 100 times all the time. But Prampram gives us the opportunity, to make the corrections that we did at Tema. Do you understand? So that we don't repeat the same thing here, because I bet you this place is going to look better in a few years to come. Those of you who want to get a place in Prampram, and you are being reluctant because of paranoia or whatever, in a few years to come, you're going to regret it. Do you know why? There are Flower Road, they are busily constructing it from Dowenya through to Prampram. And in a few, let's say a month to come, they are going to finish. Once they finish, you know what happens? What degrades the price of a land is quality roads, accessibility and all. And Prampram is busily working towards it. Once they are done, the land that you are getting for 100,000 here, that you are doing too, you're coming to get it for $100,000. I'm telling you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so that each time you upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So I gave you some tips. I hope you think about it. At the same time, I'm not telling you to make any financial mistake. Make sure you do your due diligence before you pay for anything at all. But please, make sure you are doing the right thing. Do you understand? make sure you're doing the right thing, and make sure you are getting the place here, because here is now failing. Tema is already failed. Here is now failing small. Make sure you have some 2 acres B that your children will be thankful for, and they'll be blessing you, sir. You understand? Okay, so this was a quick one. B, some dessert for your weekend. All right, see you in the upcoming videos. I have a banger for you as usual. All right, I love your company. See you next time. Bye.